Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. It will state there was a problem with the clipboard and this will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First method is we can close any instances of Microsoft Excel on our Windows. But before you can go on closing any processes of Microsoft Excel, make sure that you have saved your work in the Microsoft Excel. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. You'll find task manager under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the search bar, simply type Excel. Then you'll find Microsoft Excel. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the End Task option. And once you click on the End Task option, that will completely close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel. And after that, you just need to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also simply restart Microsoft Excel, as restart can sometimes fix an issue. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel, make sure to save your sheet first, and then you have to click on this close icon and then type Excel again in the Windows search bar. In this way, you can restart Microsoft Excel and then open your spreadsheet and just try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also use the built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel, which is the Open and Repair tool. So you have to click on the File tab at the top left corner. Then you have to select the Open option and then you have to click on Browse. Then here you have to choose your work. Click on this drop down arrow next to open. You'll find the option open and repair. Click on that and this window will appear. So simply click on the repair button and then you just need to wait for the process to be done. For the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins, because sometimes add-ins can cause issues on your window. Like on your Microsoft Excel, especially if you're doing your work. Now click on the File tab at the top left corner. Click on More. Click on Options. Now here you'll find the Excel options. Click on add-ins. You'll find manage. Now click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. And just simply try to uncheck these boxes right here for the add-ins. And once you uncheck that, you have to click on this OK option to disable the Excel add-ins. And then for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history on our Windows. So for that, we're just going to use the Windows shortcut. Press the Windows key and V key together. Now here you'll find the clipboard history. So simply click on this clear all option. And then after that, you just need to simply try to open your spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.